Alright, I just picked up a new Renzetti Traveler 2000. I used to have one of these and I loved it, and I had to leave it in Patagonia. So, got another one finally. Excited for that. I'll go ahead and put the base right here and just show you how this thing goes together. It's actually pretty simple. So this piece here has a set screw, and this Allen key is important for that. That's where that screw is going to go in. Try to get a few turns hand tightened. Okay. Now we're going to put the main vise together. You can see this is the upright that's going to set in here, and it has this threaded screw right there. That's going into there. Now, there's a couple pieces here. I'm just going to get everything out of there on the table. Get rid of that. Okay, so you have this piece with this plastic threaded screw. That's just for tension. You don't want to over tighten that. Okay. This is going to go into here. And then you have this piece, which is going to go right below that. And that has a really snug fit, so that's what ultimately is going to help hold that thread piece in place. Okay. Tighten that down, and then you have this one here. Also has room for the Allen key, but I should just be able to hand tighten that. Doesn't need too much tension, and that's it. And then you're gonna adjust tension on your rotary functions. That's going to depend on, how you want this to turn. So you'll play with these knobs here. I'll loosen this. There we go. Tighten that. There we go. That's about where I want it. Light tension. And you can play with that, and eventually you'll get it exactly how you want it. This is a great vise. You can adjust your jaws here, and it holds pretty much any hook you're going to put in it. Really secure. So that's it. Real simple. Yeah, we'll be doing a whole bunch of fly tying, get this desk organized, and yeah, that'll be the vise for this channel for the foreseeable future.